It is Cassie with 62 Handcrafted, and today we are going to do a short tutorial on a zipper pocket. I'm doing a handbag, and I just put in just an open pocket for one side of the lining, and now we are going to put in a zipper pocket. This is for a crossbody bag, and I'm just kind of marking the area that I want the pocket to go in. I've got it marked at 2.5 down, and then I'm just eyeballing this at about 1 inch, and I'm going to mark that right there. So I know that's where I want that to come into. So I'm just going to line this up so that this is about 1 inch on each side. I do want it to be pretty much at the top. So I'm lining that up, and I'm eyeballing this, and then we're gonna go, yep, that's right about 1 inch. And that's just about 1 inch. As long as it's pretty close, you are golden. Okay, now what we're gonna do, excuse me, is we are gonna mark this down 2.5. So we're gonna go 2.5 inches down, and I'm just gonna mark a little thing right there. And we are gonna go 1 inch in. This is just for our zipper pocket. So we're gonna go 1 inch in, and then 1 inch in on this side. So we have that marked, and then what we're going to do is, we know that is 3 inches. I should have marked this 2.5. I keep saying 3 because that's what I was at using the other day. And we're going to, just because we know that's where we're going to end up, we're going to mark that. And we know that's where we're going to end up. So we're going to mark that. And then we're going to draw a line across that. Just going to find the pin mark and give that a little. All right. And then I typically do about 1/2 inch, and I'm debating, do I want to go down or up? I feel like I need to go up, and I'm just lining this up so that it is at that 1/2 inch mark. Okay, then we're going to take our line up, square that off, and then basically you're going to mark 1/2 inch in and put a little dot right in the middle, and then 1/2 inch in, put a little dot in the middle, and then you're just doing a little triangle from the dot to the corner. And then we're just going to connect these 2 dots with a nice little line. And that is going to be our cut line. When we cut this, we're going to push everything through the hole, and that is how you're going to get your pocket. All right, I have this laid out, set on here just the way I want it. And now we are going to go ahead and sew around the outside edge. And just want you to be able to see, and I'm going to show you so you can see. Now what we're going to do is we are going to cut along this line and these little V's. So we're going to cut right along that center line. How you do that is you fold it in half and you give it a little cut. You're going through both both sides, and we are literally just going right down the middle, and then we're going to cut towards the thread. Let me cut those threads off. We're going to cut right in there without cutting the threads. Same thing over here. And then we're going to go this way and do the same thing. And we're going to take this long piece and we're going to put it right through that hole. We're going to take that through there. We're going to take this piece. We're taking everything to the inside, the outer piece pocket. And we're really just looking to fold everything over at that edge. But as you can see, what happens is you make this nice little open area for your zipper to be tucked in there, and it works great. We have it all ironed out, and you can see that it pressed out nice. You just press everything down, and we are going to be doing an orange zipper. Yay, we love color. And that is because the bag, the exterior of the bag, also has an orange zipper on it. And zipper pull, very easy. I say that, now it'll be a challenge to go on here. But we're just going to put it on one side, and I just kind of let it settle in until they look even, and then pull them up. Now, this is when the challenge really starts, once you get your zipper pull on there. Just takes up more room. And there you have your zipper in. Now what you have to do is close up your pocket, right? So you have this awesome long piece of material. What do you do next? Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to sew down one side, across this, and up. But you are not going to sew it down to your lining. When you sew this, you are going to be folding everything back, and you're only going to be sewing on that. So now you have a full-on pocket that you can put your goodies in, and it is set. Awesome sauce. Okay, so we got this pocket, we did the zipper pocket, and we did the regular just open pocket. So now you know how to make pockets for your inside linings on your bags. All right, see y'all soon.